Hey guys, my name is Ronak and I'm a writer. More because life has made me so and my experiences have taught me a couple of things that I would love to share with you. So today I want to talk to you about life and how fast paced it's become. Do you remember those times when things were less complicated, they were simpler, they were more meaningful? And today we're just a part of this mad race and we're losing our identity, we're losing who we are, we're losing our cause. So this is just my bit to just tell you that let's not lose ourselves. Let's not get lost in that race. We are important to ourselves and we should remember that we are all we have for us, and let's not lose that, right? So I have something that's titled something that goes like spiritual in the digital age, and here's how it goes. Books are too heavy, PDFs are too temporary. The smell of a new novel is nirvana. The digital work of a lifetime will not be saved because of a comma. Life is too fast paced. People want to slow down. The days of writing are forgotten. It's now about carrying information digitally all over town. Once upon a time, we found one mentor and obeyed their guidance. Today, we mentor ourselves through digital abidance. Temples and meccas are now visited on YouTube. Where are those times when we walked long miles to take blessings in groups? Science is for the mind, spirituality is for the heart. We need to stop typing for once and cut it right back to the start. Digital is infinite yet fragile. Spirituality will seep through your soul and make you agile. Adapting to the new ways of life will take us through the digital route, but you cannot replace it with the solidarity of one's physical roots. It's only wise to marry the two. The amalgamation of both will take the layman through. He will no longer complain of lack of information. Gone are the days when one struggled for any explanations. Spiritual gurus are compiling their knowledge online. Yet the sages sitting by the river will chant endlessly until their voices are heard by the divine. It's not a matter of divide, but a matter of awareness. It's about cutting the chaos and reducing that stress. There is a solution to all problems online. Also superficial to convince yourself that you are doing completely fine. Without digital, our learnings will get stagnant. But let's not forget the base is in the old literature making digital today so rampant. I don't visit temples anymore but listen to gurus online through paid sessions. It makes me wonder if monetizing it all is the purpose of the profession. Spirituality comes at a cost. It charges your soul. It's not about just saving that information only to glance it later by a scroll. It's in the words and not the platform that will get through eventually. Let's not fall for everything we see on our notifications and direct us mentally. Let's not forget the wise words we learnt and wrote in school. Let it resonate with the personality, and that was the rule. Be wise about what you adopt in the digital world. It's just a matter of deleting and you will be back in the old world. Digital is the present, future, and will be in continuity. But to stand apart in a pool of corrupted files is what is spirituality. Thank you. So yeah, this is just something that I want to tell you, that it's important to be spiritual. It's important to value one's roots and where you actually come from, because that is something that is going to hold you and hold you strong in a storm of this digital world that is just tornading and is just going rampant, right? So be there for yourself, bet on yourself, and never lose yourself to anything that may or may not work for you. Thanks. I'll see you soon.